The following is the story of my 1987 Toyota 4Runner, told through old photos and old video, shot on an iPhone 6 and a GoPro Hero 5, in 2 states over the course of 15 months. Enjoy. All right, July 25th, 2017, and I'm pulling the motor for a rebuild. And you can see it has right around like 156. Yeah, 156, 331, so not too bad for a Toyota. And yep, I'll get another video when I'm putting it in. I had to pause the video really quick to tell you that right after I filmed it idling and did this little walk around, I drove it onto my trailer and then hauled it to North Carolina the very next morning at like 3 or 4 in the morning. Okay, back to video. I hope you enjoyed that little mashup. And if you're wondering if I still have the 4Runner, unfortunately the answer is no. I was in the process of transitioning out of the Marine Corps and planning on moving to a state really far away. So I had to clear the fleet. That truck didn't make the cut, but I sold it to a really good dude who loved 4Runners, and I'm sure it's living a good life. Thanks for watching.